So I've just arrived at Stansted International Airport and I've just got my suitcase. I'm going to head down to the train station and I'm going to show you how to get from Stansted Airport to the city centre of London by train on the Stansted Express. So let's go down to the train station and yeah, let's get on board the train and let's go. So this is the train ticket vendor machine here at Stansted International Airport, and we'll just get a train ticket to Liverpool Street Station, the city centre of London, one way, and yeah, and now I'll just pay it. It's that easy. Once you collect your suitcase, it's about a 2-minute walk to the train station, but just follow that symbol and you can't go wrong. So yeah, let's go down to the train station. And down the ramp we go to London Stansted train station. It's that easy. And down the ramp we go to the underground train station. So yeah, let's get on board the train and yeah, let's go to London. Let's go. And always remember to stand on the right hand side of the escalators. This is to allow people to walk down the left hand side of the escalators. It's just general etiquette.
Stansted Mountfitchet, Bishop Stortford, Harlow Town, Tottenham Hale and London Liverpool Street.
Yeah, so we just arrived at London Liverpool Street Station and yeah, that was a really quick journey. I hope you enjoyed the video and yeah, let's enjoy and go and explore London's views and landmarks. Let's go!